With everything happening today, I think we're in dire need of some more enlightenment. I can't make enlightenment, but I can generate me some. I know what you're thinking.
But you can't just generate enlightenment.
And to that I say, GPT-2 goes brrrt. GPT-2 is a machine learning model created by OpenAI used for text generation. I'm calling this model Teddy. So I trained Teddy and handpicked some funny yet interesting samples that it generated. First up is a rather long sample. I call this one Tips and Tricks for Obtaining a Shadow.
Look for something, but do not interfere. The great emptiness in the universe makes the unit impossible. From the sky to the sea, the earth is small, yet the way of Tao is inexhaustible. Look for something, but do not interfere. The great emptiness in the universe makes the unit impossible. Turning back, but not interfering, effectively saving the universe. Tips and tricks for obtaining a shadow. 1. Look for the big brother. 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 Look for the big brother.
Weird. If I didn't know any better, I'd say Teddy's trying to tell me something. Then he goes on to talk about squares and some other stuff. Maybe I should let him play Minecraft, since he likes squares so much. Let's move on to the next one. I titled this one, The Virtuous Irishman.
Those who have virtue in abundance may purchase the distressed place, and not the distressed person, for the value of which is unknown. Those who have virtue in abundance may also be considered as rich, and may afford the people the means they desire. This is called by the ordinary Irish the title boring. Because the way is among the most ancient, why not us? Because they have not previously taught that virtue is the virtue of the few. Therefore the sages conceal us, a virtue, attempt to produce it, and reap the fruit. This is called following the constant.
So, affording the people the means they desire is boring. What does that even mean? Let's take a look at sample number 2.
Those who have virtue in abundance can excel thieves, giving without striving. Those who have virtue in abundance can scour the world for treasures and destroy the great Chinese Empire. The great Chinese Empire is at the root of this peace.
Not gonna lie, I did not see that coming. So if you have virtue in abundance, you can either go look for treasures or go and destroy the Chinese Empire, whichever is more entertaining. Let's take a look at sample 3, codename 0.
The center of existence is the zero. It is the dimensionless void between great and small. Dimeness does not need understanding. It does not concern it with what is small. What is small is called generality. So that the hard and strong are placed at the mercy of gravity. They are not, they are used.
No commentary here. I actually found this one quite interesting. Things start getting interesting with sample number 4. Take a look.
The earth is their master. They develop over it and nourish it. They also nourish it and protect it. And if need be, it is gifted to me. I have power over the earth, and over the gods. But since they are the uncreated essence, they are without beginning and end.
Alright, that was a disaster. I read Teddy one book, a couple of thousand times, and it comes up with this shit. God damn. Anyways, last one.
Nothing in the world can be more sacred and precious. I alone am infinite, without beginning and end. I alone am indefinable. I alone are the manifestations of the essential tenantly hell. Bowed down, you are preserved and alive. I alone am inexhaustible, unchanging without warning.
And Teddy has gone completely mad. Alright, let's get rid of this.